Hi lovelies, welcome back to Lulu's Black Market. I'm Lulu, the badass queen who cooks. Today we're making some fantastic, really quick, really easy protein balls. When you're working during the day, or you want a quick snack on the run, or you want to refuel after the gym, they're really quick and easy way just to get your body that protein, that little pick me up, and it's only full of really good stuff. So to start with, we've got some figs and some prunes, which I have started to soak in some hot water. That only takes about 4 or 5 minutes just to soak it up so they're easier to blend. We've got a fantastic selection of nuts, cashews, Brazil nuts, and some pumpkin seeds as well, all full of really good protein, all full of healthy fats. Really fantastic. So I've toasted those just for about 5 or 6 minutes until they're nice and golden brown, just on the outside, because that makes them easier to blend as well. And in terms of spices going into our lovely protein balls, we have some old Indian mixed spice, so it's like cinnamon, star anise, we've got some cocoa powder as well, some cardamom in there, and that is all really good stuff just to get your immune system going. Tastes great, and also like super healthy, super focused on wellness. So once your nuts are toasted, we're going to blend those up first. All in there. Let me help if I can actually put it on properly. Here we go. And turn the plug on. Always helpful. This should be a really nice fine crumb, okay, and that's going to make it a lot easier and a lot smoother protein ball. Drain your prunes and your figs. They should be nice and soft by now. Pop them into your blender, and then the last thing you need is just some peanut butter, and you can do it smooth or do it crunchy, it really doesn't matter. So a good 2 tablespoons popped in there. Yum. Okay, and then back to blending. What you're looking for is this really like smooth consistency in the mixture. So all your figs are blended up, all your prunes are blended up, and now we're going to roll. So simply take a tablespoon of your mixture out onto a board, give it a good shake, and then just using your hands roll it into your protein ball. Easy peasy. So there you have it, my easy peasy healthy cheap recipe for protein balls. Place them in a jar with some baking paper, and then you can pop them in the fridge if you think that you can wait to eat them.